Good day everyone, I'm Earl Gerald Alcantara. You can call me Jet. I'm 18 years old. I'm currently living in Barangay Ditaco in Cabatangas. I'm currently taking Mechatronics Engineering and I'm from MEXE 1102. My hobbies are collecting and solving Rubik's Cube, playing volleyball, playing online games like Mobile Legends Bang Bang, Call of Duty Mobile, and Clash of Clans. I also like reading manga, manhwa, light novels, and watching anime. Why did you take engineering as your program? I take engineering as my program because since bata pa ako, ito na yung gusto kong i-pursue. And gusto ko rin talaga magkutingting ng mga bagay-bagay. 5 years from now, how do you see yourself in the future? I see myself in the future na kung saan ako ay isang successful person na nakakatulong sa aking pamilya and na-apply ko na yung aking mga natutunan upang makagawa ng mga bagay na aking gusto. Yun lamang po and thank you.